nothing a boy can do that I can't do better.
Hey, so, before we go in there... I think so. I wanted to thank... I know you're... Once we're inside, just keep quiet for a bit. Let me take the lead.
Lady Serrano's back. Open the gate. I watch the gate. How dare you trespass here?
Wait, Serrana? Is that truly you? I cannot believe my eyes.
My lord, everyone! Serrana has returned!
I guess I'm expected.
I can't believe it.
My long-lost daughter returns at last. I trust you have my Elder Scroll.
After all these years, that's the first thing you ask me? Yes, I have the scroll.
Of course,
She has the
I'm delighted
scroll.
to see you, my daughter. Must I really say the words aloud? Ah, if only your traitor mother were here. I would let her watch this reunion before putting her head on a spike. Now tell me, who is this stranger you have brought into our hall?
This is my savior, the one who freed me.
For my daughter's safe return, you have my gratitude. Tell me, what is your name? I am Harkon, Lord of this... By now, my daughter would have told you what we are. Not just vampires. For centuries we lived here, far from the cares. You have done me a... There is but one. I offer you my blood. Then you will be... Perhaps you still need convincing. Behold the power! This is the power that I offer. Now, make your choice. So be it. You are prey, like all mortals. I banish you.
Is it true that you kill deer and eat their hearts? come here.